good afternoon. Nice to see so many of you here. So my name is Eunice.
I'm Henry.
This is my husband, and we're very happy to share our joy with you today. We are actually going to do something a bit like ikan pedas, and we do it with a lot of ingredients that you will be familiar with. It's colorful, vibrant, and it's low sodium most of all. Because the ingredients that we have today, we have ginger, we have lemon, garlic, chili. I also pre-prepped some coriander for garnishing as well. So all this will add flavor aside from salt. Okay, so I will just prep the fish. Most of it I've already prepped here into bite sizes. Very simple dish, right? We're gonna pan fry the dish. I put here sea bass just for easy sampling today. So now I'm just heating up the pan, and then we are putting some canola oil. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons first. Okay, I'm not putting heaping tablespoons. I'm just putting it till it slightly coats and covers. Okay. So now we can put in. I've always put skin side down so you can render and get the oils from the skin as well. I don't know if you can start hearing the sizzle. Almost done. The bottom is already starting to turn white. After that, we'll flip it over. I'm using about 800. I don't know if you use induction stove. So this 800 will help to just pan fry. So we have 1 garlic, 1 tablespoon of the ginger. We are also going to put 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Almost done. The bottom is already starting to turn white. After that, we'll flip it over.
Not sure if you all can see. This is how the fish looks like. Pan.
Golden brown. So now we turn the fire down, right? And we put the sauce in. Stir around, make sure it doesn't burn. Like I mentioned, ginger garlic paste can burn quite easily. And then we will add the fish back in, just to coat the sauce. You can serve up a very colorful dish. It's tasty. You can eat rice. I mentioned brown rice, broccoli. You know, you can put it with it's quite nice as a dish. So this is what we have today, ikan pedas. Thank you so much.